What's the meaning of construct? Construct. Construct.
Construct. Construct. The word construct refers to the act of building or creating something. It typically involves assembling various components or materials in order to form a new object or structure. The result of a construction process can vary widely, depending on the specific project being undertaken. Some examples of constructed objects might include buildings, bridges, roads, or sculptures. In general, construction requires careful planning, specialized knowledge, and skilled labor in order to achieve a successful outcome. Ultimately, the aim of construction is to create something that is functional, durable, and aesthetically pleasing.